This is a bike check of my humble steel bike VanELOpe. This is probably the perfect embodiment of a broke college student's road bike. Regardless of the price of this bike, I still enjoy it. Like, I ride it every single day consistently. No, not so consistently. I ride it almost every single day for the past 11 months, except if it has like mechanical issues and whatsoever. But yeah, for the past 11 months, I've been enjoying riding this bike. So first, let's start with the frame set. So my frame is an unbranded chromolyte steel frame. Repainted it to jet black with Karen rainbow sparkles that pops under the sunlight. So shout out to Lolo Balbas Pintor for the superb repaint. You exceeded my expectations. Thank you very much. Next, for the cockpit or the contact points between the machine and the rider. Handlebars, BNB or BNVB. These are 25.4mm compact drop bars from Lazada. They are pretty cheap. Stem, unbranded silver stem from my favorite place, the Japan Surplus. This is probably a 70mm and the angle is perpendicular to the ground. I updated my old quill stem for this. For the bar tape, Chinelli cork gel bar tape topped with a generic white bar tape from Shopee. You know what? I have this certain liking. I don't know. I just like the looks of a really thick bar tape compared to the thinner ones. Double layer equals comfort and more padding. White looks professional, but it gets filthy every week. Brake levers, Micronew 3x7 shifters, the most affordable yet reliable shifters in the market. Shipped from China. So, salamat Shopee. Saddle, Cell San Marco short fit saddle. Looks like a specialized power saddle, but it's not. Seat post. So it came with the frame. I removed the rust and applied some metal polish, but it still looks terrible. For the pedals, Shimano PDM 520s. These are mountain bike pedals, but I'm using a road bike. The reason for that is it's pretty damn practical and it's more affordable than changing your clits every month. For the wheel set, both rims are Araya Japan 700C rims. For the front hub, it's an XJ Fixie hub with 36 holes. I didn't change it to a quick release because I sometimes mount my Wild 137 basket, so I need bolts. For the rear hub, it is a Shimano 7-speed hub, quick release, probably outdated. It has 36 holes and it's so damn silent that I need to shout sometimes just to inform people that I am passing by. For the tires, Continental Gator Skin 28mm tires. These are the most puncture resistant tires for roadies and fixies, and I hate fixing flats, so I decided to take a leap and upgrade my tires to this. I've been using Kenda for like 8 months, and then after just 8 months it developed some sidewall cracks, so yeah, I decided to buy new tires. They are pretty expensive for my financial status, but damn, it will last for thousands of kilometers before it even wears out. Okay, next, for the drivetrain. So, for the crankset, full speed ahead, tempo, 50 39T in silver and black. These are squared tapered cranksets, but it feels solid. Like, it's an affordable crankset, but it feels great and it looks durable. Chain, original 8-speed chain. Please do not buy fake chains, it might kill you. For the cogs, Shimano Hyperglide 7-speed cogs, so 12 to 34T, that's the gear ratio. It's pretty sufficient for me, considering the fact that I am from the single-speed world. 7-speed, it's pretty much sufficient. I'm not looking for more than 7 speeds, so yeah. I want it in silver, but I cannot find a silver one. For the rear derailleur, Shimano Tourney TX. The crappiest Shimano rear derailleur, but it feels smooth like butter. I was so stupid to buy this without even considering the quality of the RD, but I got lucky that it works so damn well. It shifts so well. I'm planning to upgrade this when it wears down, probably to a Shimano Sora, but Shimano Sora is 9-speed, right? Front derailleur, Shimano Claris. It shifts like smooth butter. It shifts smoother than my life. I have no issues. And lastly, why name it after a Disney character from Wreck-It Ralph? Okay, so VanELOpe or VanELOpe kind of sounds like a bike brand for me. Like, I treat this bike like my partner or a girlfriend thing, so I named it with a woman's name. So, VanELOpe, just remove the A-N and the P-E, and it's a velo. So velo means bicycle. I don't know what velo is from, like what language it is from, but yeah, velo means bicycle. And dami ko na rin nagastos dito sa bike na to, so talagang parang girlfriend ko na rin siya. By the way, this is not an advertisement for my bike. It's a bike check. But in case someday I decided to sell this for a better road bike, or in case I need money for more important stuff than cycling, well, I might send this to the buyer. Who knows?